Mama said there'd be boys like you, tearing my heart in two, doing what you do best.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am posting only two DIYs. One is a hack and one is a DIY. I will post two DIYs because it's just easier for me to edit and easier for you to follow. So enjoy the video. So the first one is not actually a DIY, but it's actually a nice hack. That is, you can take a good aesthetic picture, a good printout, and use it as your regular framed decor part. You can also use that same frame as a good aesthetic tray to showcase your jewelry or your makeup or your watches. It looks really cute and it's a good aesthetic hack. The second one is a DIY banner. I know I have made two banners already in this channel, but I just wanted another one which basically shows or gives some summer vibes. So I took a regular piece of paper and then I drew 3 monstera leaf. If you can't draw, you can get printouts and just use it as a banner. After that, I am just painting the monstera leaf with some dark green arsenic paint.
So when you hold my hand, do you wanna hold my heart when you say you want me? Mama said there'd be boys.
After that, I am just painting the monstera leaf with some dark green arsenic paint.
Doing what you do best, taking me for a ride, telling me pretty little lies, but with you I can't resist. I'm terrified, but I'm
Then I am taking a branch and folding a small portion of the paper, the top portion, and wrapping it around the branch and securing it with a black tape. Once it's done, I'm taking some yarn and I'm tying both the ends, and that's it. You're done.
Mama said there'd be boys like you, tearing my heart in two, doing what you do best, taking me for a ride.
That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video. If you guys like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.